You need to hear this if you're a dieter. Are you tired of the endless cycle of dieting and regaining weight? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with finding a sustainable way to lose weight and keep it off. But don't worry, because today, we're diving into the top 8 ideas from the book, How Not to Diet, by Dr. Michael Greger. These tips are designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Sick of yo-yo dieting? It's time to break free from the cycle and discover a new approach to weight loss. Let's uncover the secrets from How Not to Diet. First up, eat more low-calorie-dense foods. This means focusing on foods that are high in nutrients but low in calories. By doing this, you can eat larger portions and still lose weight. Think about it. You can fill your plate with delicious, healthy foods and feel satisfied without consuming too many calories. So, what are low-calorie dense foods? They include vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for your overall health. Plus, they help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your weight loss plan. Imagine a colorful salad filled with fresh vegetables, or a fruit platter with a variety of delicious fruits. These foods not only taste great, but also provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. You get to eat more while consuming fewer calories. It's a win-win situation. By incorporating more low-calorie dense foods into your diet, you can enjoy larger portions and still achieve your weight loss goals. So, go ahead and load up your plate with these nutritious foods. Now, let's move on to the second tip. Tip 2. Fiber is your best friend. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. It passes through your digestive system, helping to keep things moving smoothly. But that's not all. Fiber also helps you feel full, which can prevent overeating and help you lose weight. It helps you feel full and keeps things moving, if you catch my drift. High-fiber foods include beans, lentils, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. By incorporating more of these foods into your diet, you can improve your digestion and feel more satisfied after meals. So make sure to include plenty of high-fiber foods in your diet. Not only will they help you feel full, but they also provide numerous health benefits, such as improving your digestion and reducing your risk of chronic diseases. Third, don't drink your calories. This is a common mistake that many people make. Sugary drinks and sodas are packed with empty calories that can quickly add up and sabotage your weight loss efforts. Instead, focus on drinking beverages that are low in calories and high in nutrients. Sodas and sugary drinks? Big no-no. These drinks can contribute to weight gain and other health issues, such as diabetes and heart disease. So, it's best to avoid them as much as possible. Stick to water, tea, or even black coffee. These beverages are low in calories and can help keep you hydrated and energized throughout the day. Next, focus on timing. The timing of your meals can have a significant impact on your weight loss efforts. Eating an early dinner and avoiding late-night snacks can help your metabolism work more efficiently. This is because your body's natural circadian rhythm affects how it processes food. Early dinners and no late-night snacks help your metabolism work better. By eating your last meal of the day earlier, you give your body more time to digest and process the food before you go to bed. This can help improve your metabolism and support your weight loss goals. Tip 5. Bulk up on breakfast. A hearty morning meal can keep those pesky cravings at bay all day. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. A nutritious breakfast can provide you with the energy you need to start your day and help prevent overeating later on. So, what should you include in your breakfast? Aim for a balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This combination can help keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. Some great breakfast options include oatmeal with fruit and nuts, a smoothie with spinach and protein powder, or whole grain toast with avocado and eggs. Tip 6. Keep it plant-based as much as you can. Less meat, more plants equals a healthier, happier you. Plant-based diets have been shown to provide numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved digestion, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet, you can improve your overall health and well-being. So, what are some plant-based foods you can include in your diet? Think vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with nutrients and can help you feel full and satisfied. Plus, they can be incredibly delicious and versatile. You can create a variety of tasty and nutritious meals using plant-based ingredients. Remember, it's not just about dieting, it's about creating a lifestyle you love. Sustainable weight loss is about making long-term changes to your diet and lifestyle that you can stick with. It's about finding a way of eating that makes you feel good and supports your overall health and well-being. So focus on making small, manageable changes that you can maintain over time. And don't forget to enjoy the journey. Weight loss is a process, and it's important to be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from any setbacks. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Tip 7. Move more. Physical activity is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can help you burn calories, build muscle, and improve your mood. Whether it's walking, jogging, or hitting the gym, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Exercise doesn't have to be intense or time-consuming. Even small amounts of physical activity can make a big difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing. The key is to find something you enjoy and stick with it. Finally, tip 8. Practice mindfulness. Mindful eating can help you develop a healthier relationship with food. By paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues, you can avoid overeating and make more conscious food choices. Mindfulness can also help reduce stress, which is often a trigger for emotional eating. Take the time to savor your meals and listen to your body's signals. Eating slowly and without distractions can help you enjoy your food more and recognize when you're truly satisfied. This can prevent overeating and support your weight loss goals. So, practice mindfulness in your eating habits and see the positive impact it can have on your health and well-being. For more insights and summaries of great books like How Not to Diet, download the StoryShots app today. It's your gateway to the key ideas from the world's best non-fiction books, all in one place. Start your journey to a healthier, happier you with StoryShots. Download now and get started. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content.